Here we are, another busy day in ORC's repair room, Oriental Rug Care. You see here she built the foundation, the warp and the weft, which is right here. She had to rebuild that because the dog got the best of it, and now she's putting in the wool color, and then we'll shave it down. You see she has all the colors picked out here already. And then we go over here to the side of the room where we are serging a rug here. He already got the other side done, and now he's working on completeness. So we do all different types of repairs. This weekend we're going to work on organizing all this wool we got here. We got tons and tons and tons of wool. We can do any type of repair, and the next set of videos, this place will look a heck of a lot different. Oriental Rug Care. We love repairing rugs.